Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the brand new GoPro Mission 1 Pro and Mission 1 Pro ILS. Both of these action cameras pack a powerful 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor and the latest GP3 processor, which promises better low-light performance and improved battery efficiency. The Mission 1 Pro focuses on rugged simplicity, with built-in durability and deep waterproofing, making it ideal for action-heavy environments. On the other hand, Mission 1 Pro ILS brings a mirrorless design with interchangeable micro Four Thirds lenses, offering far more creative flexibility and control. So the big question is, do you go for durability and ease of use, or versatility and cinematic control? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two action cameras and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with the sensor, processor, and overall image performance, because this is where both cameras actually share a lot in common. Both the Mission 1 Pro and Mission 1 Pro ILS feature a 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor, which is significantly larger than typical action camera sensors, meaning it can capture more light for better detail and improved low-light shots. They also use larger 1.6 micrometer pixels that can combine into 3.2 micrometer fused pixels, which helps reduce noise and improve clarity in darker scenes. On top of that, both cameras run on the GP3 processor built on a 5nm process, which means better power efficiency and less overheating during long recordings. On the other hand, both models also include an AI neural processor unit that enhances video processing and dynamic range. So if you value pure image quality and low light performance, both cameras are equally matched. Moving on to lens system and creative flexibility, this is where the biggest difference really stands out between these two. The Mission 1 Pro sticks to a traditional fixed lens action camera design, which keeps things simple, compact, and ready to shoot right out of the box without any setup. That makes it perfect for users who just want to hit record and capture the moment. On the other hand, the Mission 1 Pro ILS takes a completely different approach with its mirrorless design and interchangeable lens mount that supports micro Four Thirds lenses and adapters. This means you can switch between wide-angle, portrait, or even telephoto lenses depending on your needs, giving you far more creative control. It also uses an electronic viewfinder instead of a mirror system, which displays a digital preview of your shot. So, if you value flexibility and creative freedom, the ILS model clearly takes the lead. When it comes to stabilization and shooting versatility, the Mission 1 Pro ILS introduces an important feature that can make a big difference in real-world use. It supports GoPro's hyper-smooth stabilization, which works by slightly cropping into the frame to reduce shake and jitter, resulting in much smoother footage even when you are moving. This is especially useful for handheld shooting or fast-paced environments. On the other hand, the Mission 1 Pro does not highlight this same level of stabilization integration in its core feature set, which suggests a more traditional action camera stabilization approach. Another advantage with the ILS model is that Hypersmooth works with rectilinear prime lenses, meaning you can still get stabilized footage even when using different lenses. That means if you prioritize smoother footage and adaptable shooting setups, the Mission 1 Pro ILS offers more versatility. When it comes to durability, waterproofing, and real-world usability, the Mission 1 Pro clearly focuses on being a tough, go-anywhere action camera. It can handle depths of up to 20 meters underwater without any additional housing, which makes it perfect for swimming, diving, or extreme outdoor use. If you add the optional protective case, it can go even deeper to 60 meters, while also adding mounting fingers for both horizontal and vertical shooting. On the other hand, the Mission 1 Pro ILS is described as weatherproof, but there is no clear rating yet for water resistance, which means it may not be as suitable for underwater use without additional protection. In terms of availability, the Mission 1 Pro is launching sooner, while the ILS model will arrive later in the year. So if you value ruggedness and immediate usability, the Mission 1 Pro is the more reliable choice. As for my final verdict, the Mission 1 Pro is the ideal choice for anyone who wants a compact, durable, and ready-to-use action camera that performs well in tough environments without needing extra gear. On the other hand, Mission 1 Pro ILS is better suited for creators who want interchangeable lenses, smoother stabilized footage, and more control over their shots for a cinematic experience. That's all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below if you have any questions.